Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKTO. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Had a bunch of questions on this one over the past few days, just now getting around to doing the video on it. And all in all, still a good looking chart. Probably a little bit disappointed. Was able to break up above this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and then maintain it the next day. However, you can see the past 3 days has then separated itself to the downside from it. However, on the plus side of things, and on the looking at the glass half full, the price is still well above the purple line down here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And at the end of the day, this is the key level of support that you're going to want to see continue to hold. You can see here, got above it there. Right there, there's a back test, and it did a great job of producing a nice bounce from there. And as long as this level continues to hold, then you'll have to the bulls will remain in control of the price action. Now, am I saying that the price will come down here and even test it again? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that the price is still above it, and this has done a great job of showing that it can produce and provide support. So as long as that remains the case, then no need to freak out or panic. Although I do well, let me take a step back. If you're a day trader or something and you bought a pair, then yeah, this chart is looking kind of rough for you. But this assumes that you're more of a swing trader and care about the overall chart. So I should probably make that differentiation. So in terms of support, pretty much already touched on that. Another level of support that really seems to be sticking out here is right there, down at, we'll call it 0.0096. And what's interesting is the price seems to like to drop right below a penny, whereas usually a penny would be the level of support. But on this one, it seems the price likes to drop slightly below a penny and then bounce right off the 0095, 0096 region. So nothing, not good or bad, just kind of a general observation. Normally the penny is a psychological support level, so that's where you see it go. But this one has a big history. You can see just in this area over here of dropping slightly below a penny before finally bouncing back up. So more interesting than anything else. In regards to resistance levels, with any sort of bounce, the first level of resistance you're going to want to get above is right up here at 0.0135. You can see lots of history, acted as resistance. When the price did get above it, acted as support right there, support. And now that the price is back below it, you can see turned back into resistance. With a break of this level right there, then the next level of resistance won't be up until this pink line right there, which is the 200-day simple moving average. And then after that, nothing until these previous highs over here. But one step at a time. First, got to make sure that this isn't any sort of more drastic pullback, and as long as this holds, then it'll start to measure the strength of any sort of bounce by paying attention to these resistances that I've mapped out here. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our video courses up there. Been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. They are all in instant downloadable format, so whether you're a beginner or are just looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image up there and check them out and make an investment into yourself and your education as a trader. So one more time, this was SKTO. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.